Hey everybody, this is Raven, as you would know me. I also go by John, as that's my actual name. Well, Jonathan, but whatever. And I promised you guys a tour of my new sailboat, so we're gonna do that now. I already got up here. This is how I had to get up. So I'll give views later what it actually looks like on the outside, but I'm not crawling back out to crawl back in right now. That seems like a bad idea, and this is my first time using this little GoPro, so try not to be too judgmental. But it is set up for winter storage already. We had a little bee problem. Got rid of that. They were up there. We got a little spider up there too, so we took care of that. But yeah, so let's get a little view going forward. See, it's all purty. She's gonna need some work. She's gonna need some cleaning, and I'll have to tune the mast. But I'm waiting for spring to do that. Obviously all this stuff has to go. Some decent stanchions up here. Looks like they're a little, maybe need a little reinforcement at some point, or bending back. I'm not sure, but we'll see how that turns out once the shrink wraps off. But here is the basics. We got our little lazarette here. I brought my tools up here. We got some bumpers, and looks like a little cleaning kit down there, minus the soap. So not everything. You got a little anchor, shore power, some rope, extra line here and there. Just sort of see how that goes. Let me get this stuff out of there. There we go. I got this. I'm gonna have to worry about that later. We got a little bit of stuff over here. A couple extra bits of line here and there. Got another cubby hole over here. We don't have self-tailing winches up here, but I don't think that's gonna matter too much. And then let's see, I'm gonna have to refinish a lot of this wood, but now that I'm looking at it, I don't think it's a good idea for me to take it with right now. That was the original plan, is to take a lot of this this teak with me back downstate, and well, I don't know if you can. I'll show you over here. You can kind of see over here there is a couple little holes in this thing where some ice and water and snow are gonna get in. Just sort of the nature of the beast. So I think I'm gonna have to skip that for now, but we can go down below. So this is our little cockpit, and go down below and check that out. So we got a little lock here. You just push this open, set that back, and these guys come right out. Set this over. Hopefully you guys will be able to see this. There we go. You can kind of see down here. Let me try this little light. I have no idea if this is going to help once we're down there or not. But we can slide down here. Hold on. Let's get downstairs into the main berth. You're supposed to go down backwards normally, but we got our electronics back here, GFCI. I'll probably dig into that, make sure it's good. I'm looking for any cracks. There's like a little bit here. I'll probably have to, well, that doesn't look bad. I'll just probably recaulk a lot of this stuff. Got our battery back here. It's all 12-volt system. A sink that apparently I was told doesn't work quite right. Dead spider. The ice box. But we're gonna dig into that. I think, if I'm right, let's see. I'm guessing if I take these guys off, hand tight. Let's see. Okay, not all of them. I'm guessing. Yeah, I can reach right up here. I wonder if I can get this out. Put this stuff over here. Let's see what happens. So these Catalinas, we're supposed to have a fiberglass and water tank, and we can see, you know, a hose here. That looks like it's the drain line, and that one there looks like what we want. Oh, sorry. Yep. Well, I move this stuff around. Got sail bag here. I think that's our Mylar sail. Little fire extinguisher back here is probably out of date. I'll have to look into that later. But let's pull this out of the way, get this guy out of the way, and see what we're working with down below. I betcha we got some fun. I don't really care if I make too much of a mess. Let's see what we got here. Got our batteries. Spot for our batteries here. And this guy, let's see what you run to. Come on. Sorry, my hair gets in the way a little bit. You just run all over the damn place. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna have to move my hair out of the way here. Unfortunately, I got long hair. You're upside down. Don't worry about it. You know what? I bet you that runs off of that front one. Sorry, you're upside down. Let me fix that here. I bet you that runs off the front one. Alright. So, let's go up front a little bit. Check that out. There's the boom. Looks like I'm gonna have to do some upholstery work. Never done that before, but it should be a fun experiment. So I'm guessing, if I'm right, our water tank is below this sink. Should kind of make sense. Yeah. Actually might be between the two. That's the drain out. And just a little bit of V-berth storage, I think. We got a little marine toilet. They're never exactly pretty. Got a little V-berth up here, which I'm probably going to use for storage, honestly. Or guests, or something along those lines. But, yeah. Let's swing back around and see what we're dealing with up here, because I bet you now. So I know batteries go here. That's a good thing to know. Batteries kind of important, from my understanding. Maybe if I'm lucky, I'll be able to get solar in here at some point. Light fixtures. I have to replace